So hello and welcome back to another coin search. So here we have a bunch of coins, I think most of these from Africa, and I can actually see a lot of scarce coins in this. So this probably cost about $100. And that's just from memory. Could cost about 120, 130, but we'll just have a look and see what we have here. So we'll go from the two most expensive coins, which I have here. So Southern Rhodesia, and they're both half crowns. Rhodesia and New Zealand. So this coin is virtually impossible to get, and if you try and buy it, you're probably paying about $100 to $150 for one of these. Although 1955, I need to look up to see if it's scarce. In Southern Rhodesia, you're probably at least $50 for that coin. So these two coins pretty much make up for whatever I got here, whatever I paid for it. So that's basically should be the end of the video, but we'll go through these coins and see what else I got. But I have a feeling this is probably going to be a few $100 worth of coins. Okay, so I've looked up the actual prices. This one you can pick up a low grade one for about $10, and this one's obviously not a low grade one. It's probably I would say, yeah, probably extremely fine, because it doesn't show a lot of wear. It has a mintage of 6 million, so it shouldn't be too hard. But with this coin, I can't find any other ones for sale on eBay. So the 1955 first year, 1.6 million. And Rhodesia would include Zimbabwe. New Zealand was Malawi, and these also circulated in Zambia. So at the time, Rhodesia pretty much was the name of Zambia and Zimbabwe, and Southern Rhodesia was the name of current Zimbabwe that we have it now. So these are the good coins, and this one's probably also EF. Shows somewhere, but it's only pretty much on the top of the detail. Okay, so let's have a look at the other coins. Then we have Reunion, 2 francs. Yeah, probably $5 to $10 for that. Pretty nice coin. This is probably the most common to actually get. Okay, and then we have another Reunion coin, a 1 franc, probably also $5 to $10 for that one, 1948. So these circulated on the island of Reunion, and the same size as the French franc at the time. And Comoros, so this is close to Reunion, and also close to where Madagascar. Do I have any Madagascan coins? Okay, Mauritius is also close to the place, but that was British. And another Comoros. So do we have any Madagascan? Pretty sure there is. Here you go. There you go. So all these islands are close together, and the French possessions use French currency, and also British possessions. They did use the rupee, but then they decimalised, so 1 rupee equals 100 cents. So anyway, so I have these ones already, so I don't need those. Okay, Comoros. And maybe I'll get all the Comoros coins out and we'll have a look at all those together. So there's actually quite a few, and some of them I don't have. So here's the 5 francs I don't have, large coin. So this is the same size as the 5 francs they did use, but then they issued a smaller coin in 2017, stainless steel, but that's virtually impossible to get. And Comoros coins are very expensive, so this one's probably $10 to $15, although it does have a bit of corrosion because aluminium's unstable, but it is a nice coin. Then we have the 2 francs, so that's the similar size to the Reunion coin, but it has archipelagos. It's from 1964, $5 to $10 for that one. And then we have, where's the other coins? Okay, so here we have 10 francs. So this is the independence coin. They started issuing these in 1975. But Comoros issues coins sparingly, probably once every 10 years. 92, 10 francs. This is a larger coin. They did issue a smaller bimetal coin. That's probably like $10 there. Then we have the 20 francs issued under the French. Yeah, is that toning or... Oh no, that can actually come off. Looks like blue tack actually. Need to get it off. So that one is uncirculated condition. Probably $20 to $30 for that. And here we have two 50 francs. So one from 2001, one from 1975. You can see they actually changed the coat of arms. So here we have a crescent star with 5 stars. A crescent moon with 5 stars. Here we have the Maltese cross with the crescent. Also still has 5 stars, but that's on the crescent. We have mint marks. So this is minted in Paris. The Emissions Institution of Comoros. This is a central bank. And on the back we just have the mosque that's in Mali. So M-A-L-E, that's the capital of the Comoros. These are probably worth about $10 each. Then we have large coins. So here we have a Zimbabwe 5 shillings, $20 to $30 for that. Quite a nice coin. So this is President Kawanda, Independence, 24th of October 1965. Quite a nice coin, 5 shillings. And the next one we have a half crown from Malawi. So has a dictator, can't remember his name, not important. And these are all, so this one's a proof. So probably $10 to $20 for that one. Okay, then we have some other coins. Rhodesia, this is well circulated, probably $5 to $10 for 25 cents. And Queen Elizabeth, so they circulated up into 1980, probably into the 80s. Then we have 1 penny from West Africa, 1936. This one looks like, does it have doubling? So I need to shine it into the light. No, that's just a reflection of the light. So people would call that Star of David, but no, probably has another implication. Yeah, it's probably $20 to $30 for that. Looks almost uncirculated. Has some problems with the crown. That might be wear, but most of the rest of the coin is pretty much undamaged. Zimbabwe, $5. 2001. Yeah, probably only a few dollars for that one. Nice bimetal coin, so I think this is a plated steel one. So at the time it's the highest coin in circulation. Then we have a 20 Ariari from Madagascar. And we have some other Madagascar coins. So we have 10 Ariari. So I did make a video about this before. So we have 1 francs, which I have the stainless steel and the aluminium. Then pretty much, do I have any other coins from Madagascar? Oh yeah, I have another 1 franc. So this one has cattle on it, which come from India. And these ones are both 1958, so about $5 to $10 for those. This one's not really worth that much, probably about $1 or $2. 1993. Then we have the 10 and 20, so this is probably worth about $5. Same with this coin. This one is dated 1999, but this is a current circulating coins and the smallest coin you'll find in circulation apparently. And it's steel. You can tell it's steel. Look at the way at the edges. So you can tell that that's steel. It's hard to actually rip apart. Okay, so then these 2 coins are from the breakaway state of Katanga. So there you go, Katanga. And these issued 1961. And these 2 together probably worth about $50. So that's a good pickup. Although I have them already. And here we have a primitive money. So I can't remember what they call that money, but it's metal money. And it's currency they use for trading before they issue coins. And let's have a look at some other coins. So here we have a coin, so quote this Somalis. So you might think it's a Somali, but no, this is a coin 1 franc of Djibouti, issued in 1959, probably $5 to $10 for that. Okay, current coin of Seychelles. Although they did issue a new design, but these ones are still legal tender as far as I know. 92, 1 rupee, probably $1 or $2 for that. Okay. Oh, Licenti. So Lesotho coin, 50 Licenti, 1993, or 1983 should I say. It's doing pretty good, so probably $5 to $10 for that. Quite a nice coin. Okay, current coin of the Gambia, 1 Dalasi. This one's well circulated, 98. So the current design. And it has an exchange rate of about 2 or 3 cents. But, you know, because it's circulated, you can get them uncirculated for a few dollars. It's probably $1 maximum. Then we have a Reunion, 100 francs. So that goes with the 1 franc. Then you've got 100 francs. It's probably worth about $30 or $40 because it's not in the best condition. Uncirculated, you'd be paying about 100 to 200, probably even more. So you can see these ones have Mariam, and once again it has blue tack. So anyway, so that's a coin of Reunion, just as the coat of arms, and that's the highest value coin that they issued for circulation. Okay, then let's just bunch them all together. So I've got quite a few coins. Then we got the 1967, so these are Ghana, half and 1 Pesiwas. I think there's about 30 or 40 million issued of each. So these are only worth about a few dollars. And as you can see, people have been holding it like I have. And the fingerprints have pretty much toned the coin. So all these coins are probably going to go like that sooner or later. Okay, then we have another coin from Rhodesia, 1975, 20 cents. Probably $10 to $20 for that. And 20 Ngui from Zambia. Yeah, 1968, only $2 to $3 for that coin. And we have, okay, Rwandan 1 franc, $5 to $10, 1965. We have a current coin of Cape Verde. So this is going in the collection, 10 escudos. And this is 94. So they issued 3 different types in 94. So this is the obverse at the front of the coin, which is all the same. On the back, so this is a bird series. And the other series was a boat and a flora series. So they are probably frozen date. So they keep minting them as a frozen date. Or they minted so many coins that they kept them in storage and they're still issuing them. So that's probably worth about $2 to $3. These are harder to get, so this series, and also expensive. Okay, Gambia 1 penny from 1966, pretty much uncirculated, about $15 for that. Then we have East Africa, 1943, and yeah, don't focus if you don't want to. Okay, so this is pretty common coin. SA there for South Africa, and probably $2 to $3 for the coin. Then we have a coin from Malawi, 20 Tambala, 1996. Just $1 or $2 for that coin. So I don't know what's wrong with this camera, it just doesn't want to focus. Okay, British West Africa, 1938, 2 shillings. Reader security read, so it's probably $10 to $20. Need to look that up, so that's just a guesstimate on price. So then we have some other coins. So Mauritius, 1945, 5 cents. Seychelles, 1935, 10 cents. So these are probably worth $10 to $20 each, but that I'll need to look up. So I don't take my prices as gospel because I might be wrong. But then we have a Somali, just don't. Okay, 5 cents. Another Mauritius. So this is a current circulating coin, not really worth that much. So this is probably $5 coin. And then we have a Madagascar, 10 francs, probably worth about $1. Fucking stupid camera. Sierra Leone, 10 cents, 1946. So this is a proof version, probably $5 to $10. Another, so there's a coin from Burundi, Madagascar. Yeah, only $5 to $10 for that 5 Ari. The Burundi, 1965. Yeah, also $5 to $10. The last coin is another current coin of Mauritius, 1987. Probably only about $1 for that. And that goes with this coin of Mauritius. These two do circulate, but this one's only worth about 1 cent. This is probably worth 1/4 of a cent. So anyway, added these. Oh, it's hard to estimate how much you got, but pretty much these two pretty much makes up the cost of all of these coins. Then you got other coins, so it makes up, so that just these coins here make up pretty much, oops, double the value of all the coins together that I purchased. So I hope this helps you with your coin collecting, and have an awesome coin and banknote collecting time. Thank you and goodbye.